How to buy LCY agent token. So this token came under the symbol of LCY. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. Go and find it there. Now what you need to do, click on markets here. As you can see, you will find Ethereum. Now click on this pair link and you will be able to redirect to Ethereum page to be able to buy this token. Now what you need to do here first, click on I understand to confirm. Click on connect to a wallet, select your wallet for this big ticket wallet. Now after that, what you need to do, if you don't find the token here, now click on here, and as you can see, go back and copy the token address from here and go and paste it here, and you will be able to find your token. Now what you need to do, just copy it from here, and now what you need, click here, and as you can see, paste the token address here, but make sure you select this one as a network. Click on this plus icon. Now go back and click here again and paste the token address and select it to be able to add it here. Now what you need to do, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy, and you will see here how much you will receive. After that, click on shop and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a LCY agent token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.